Hello and welcome to the breathing meditation. A 10-minute guided meditation for beginners. My name is Abhidubal and I'm so grateful to guide you towards a peaceful state of mind. So as we begin, find a comfortable and steady posture with your back straight and upright. Go ahead and close your eyes and allow the body to relax completely. Take a few deep breaths. Allow the belly to expand. Allow the chest to expand. And as you exhale, slowly allow the shoulders to relax and slowly bring the belly in. Continue breathing in this pattern for 2 to 3 more breaths. Now let's introduce a mantra. So hum. Mentally repeating the mantra so as you inhale, and hum as you exhale. Allow the mantra to follow the natural rhythm of your breath. let's take a few moments to practice together. As you inhale, mentally repeat the mantra So. Exhale Hum. So. Hum. So. Hum. Allow the breath and the subtle sound of the breath to be your anchor in this present moment. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and return to your day, carrying this sense of peace and serenity with you. Also, take this moment to express your sincere gratitude towards the earth for providing us with everything we need to thrive. The air we breathe, the water we drink, and the food we eat. Thank you for joining me. May you continue to find moments of stillness and inner peace in your daily life. Namaste, peace and love.